In this video, let's see how to get eBay store link. Start by heading over to ebay.com and accessing the homepage. You'll be greeted with numerous categories and products to explore. Select any product that appeals to you. As for me, I'm going to click on the lights category. Choose whichever product you prefer. When viewing the product page, you will notice a seller details option. Click the arrow button to the right of the seller's name. A new page will now appear. Here, you'll find the Visit Store option. Click on Visit Store. On the store page, click the Share button. Now, in the Share pop-up, click the copy link icon. That's how to get eBay store link. Like and subscribe if you find this video helpful.